Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Facing amazing collection of puja coins from Indian Ocean. In this coach, you can see the top clear Shivalingam. You can see top clear Shivalingam. When I keep the coach like this, it looks like a right faced yoni Shivalingam. When turn the coach, how it looks like a left face yoni Shivalingam. Both sides you can see a Shivalingam. It's a beautiful conch collected from Indian Ocean. It's abnormal formation of conch. It is not a regular conch. Unique collection, only one piece in the world. This conch gives you full blessings of Lord Shiva. Full blessings of Lord Shiva. Such an amazing collection it is. Amazing, full blessings of Lord Shiva. Top of the conch you can see clear Shivalingam. Clear Shivalingam top of the conch. Here like a right side faced yoni Shivalingam. Okay. Left side faced yoni Shivalingam. Beautiful collection. By doing pujas and abhishek with this conch, the puja and abhishek will be get extremely powerful, extremely such a wonderful conch it is. Makes you to feel Lord Shiva. This conch will make you to feel Lord Shiva. Such an amazing collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.